hang up on them. Gang, yeah, my bitch got my name on them. Let my nuts hang on them. Niggas get jammed, they sing on you. Niggas said trippin', bang on them. Bang, gang, 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 gang on them.
I'm feeling bougie. Hey you guys, Bionka Deyon here. I just sounded like ALYSSA forever. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bionka Deyon, and today I am going to hop on the little bandwagon of following a YouTuber's tutorial. And the YouTuber that I chose was ALYSSA Forever. Now, if everybody know, when it comes to ALYSSA Forever, I don't play. I like even like bought a whole outfit. I'm gonna put that mug right here. I bought a whole outfit just cause she wore it, and it was so I named everything in the video, but I am going to leave everything down below in the description box. But while you're going to that description box, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because if you're not with the honeybees and in my beehive, then what is you doing? And while you are subscribing to my channel, make sure you turn on my post notifications so you won't miss an upload from me. I have been gone for a while, but that's because college is really taking a toll on me, and I'm very focused on this semester because I have goals that I want to meet. I want to meet. What? I just mix meet and reach. Lord help me. I promise I'm going to be coming back. I've been doing a lot of pre-recording, so I'm going to try to edit these videos and get them out for y'all. So even when I am busy, y'all still have my face to look at. I'm just gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get into the video. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids the way that she did. She used her highlighting shade, so I'm gonna use my highlight shade to prime my eyelid, and I'm using the Sephora gel concealer in the color 13. Oh, my hair is in the way, but yeah. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of it because you don't need that much. And then to set this, I am going to use my Makeup Revolution powder. I love this powder. And I'm just going to set my eyelids. She set hers with Laura Mercier. I'm setting mine with, this is the closest thing I have to like a translucent, so yeah. She went in with Vangali or something from NARS. I'm going in with Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's on the second row, middle color. And that's what I'm going to start using. And she used this like to as her transition shade kind of to start like the blending process. Boom. Okay, we get some color. Come on, ALYSSA. Okay, so that orangey color that she's using right there, I am gonna use the color Creamsicle and this super fluffy brush from Japanese, and that's what I'm gonna go over with. Okay, hold on. She's taking a dark color. I already know what dark color I'm gonna use. I'm using Mocha in the Jaclyn Hill palette, by the way.
So now I can get to the fun parts.
Hold on, sis. Dang, she did all that blending in 2 minutes. The power of editing. Oh Lord. Alright, so we sculpting this cut crease, Lord. Big, say less. She using an angle brush. Oh no. Oh Lord. Y'all know I had a little struggle with this the last time. I don't know if y'all could tell. Oh Lord, I'm struggling now. And I'm gonna set that because she used a matte color that was close to her. That concealer shade she used, so I'm gonna use Silk Cream because it's kind of close to what I used, and set this in place. If y'all hear a rattling noise, I am so sorry. IDK, what the problem is? Okay. So, boom.
I did so good.
I did good too, girl. So going back to
And then I can go in with that dark.
dang, what color was that? Pukey? Hold on, girl, you're going too fast. So we blending out the edges on this mug. Okay, now she going in with that darker color that she used, and I used Mocha, so I'm going in with that too. So I'm going in with Mocha now, and this is a Japanese brush. It came in a set. I honestly can't tell y'all. It came in a set. Just look for the 4-piece, the mini eyeshadow brush set. And because she has such clean edges and I didn't have no tape, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sephora gel concealer, and I'm gonna like straighten up my edges because I ain't had no tape. Yeah, we just gonna get these edges together. Like that. Like that. And going in with this concealer brush, and I'm just gonna blend out this concealer. This is the Real Techniques concealer brush. Not the concealer brush, it's like a, oh my bad, it's a concealer brush. Yeah, I love this brush. It's like super good at blending concealer. Y'all, I even did my edges for this tutorial. Oh, I'm so Alyssa Forever. Y'all can't tell me nothing. She using Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I ain't got that. She like Violet Voss Water and I'm Ozarka. So I'm gonna use my NYX Professional. This is the What's the Point liner, and I'm gonna put on some liner. I still suck at liner, so don't judge me. Too much wing action. Just gotta get the wing started. Okay, all these notifications coming. I swear my phone was dry when Bionka was doing homework, taking a nap, and now I want to start recording and everybody and their mama want to hit me up. Go ahead, sis. You did that. It was called Heavy Metal from Urban Decay, but I'm using the NYX one and it's in the color Gunmetal. So I think this silver is really gonna match. Y'all, this is a bob. These mugs so opaque. Okay, I'm going over with one more just to make sure that it stays super opaque. Y'all, oh, this is a look. Oh, this a look. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Okay, she using some lashes that's winged out, and I got some lashes that's winged out. I'm gonna put y'all on. These lashes from the Beauty Supply are A1 like steak sauce. I'm not playing no games. It is the Miss 3D Volume Lash. Oh, snickerdoodle. The style 368, and these are like really good. I am that type to boost, but I don't boost. Like, wait, hold on. I be boosting, but these is not a boost. Like, these is for real, the real deal. And they wispy out kind of like hers. So she using Lily lashes or Violet Voss lashes. I ain't using that. I'm using these because they're $3. And the only reason I'm putting my eyelashes on with my hands is because that is the way ALYSSA Forever puts her eyelashes on, and I am following her tutorial. So okay, this glitter bomb, like, but this one I went too low or something, or I didn't let it dry. I'm gonna have to clean that up because I don't like it. Whew, I got both my lashes on. Y'all like this? It ain't the fur. Mine's like fringe. So I'm kind of ALYSSA Forever, just looking. Okay, so she be powdering her face kind of like Jackie Aina does. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but instead of using, she uses It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I used to use that. I loved it so much. It was such a splurge though. So now I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. So she goes under her eyes. She goes over her nose. Like basically where her pores are really, really large. That's where she goes. And that's what I'm doing. Okay, she using Studio Skin from Smashbox. I don't have that. I want to, but they don't have my shade. And I'm stippling this over my face because she goes in with a beauty blender, but because she's not mixing foundations, I feel like she can go in immediately. And because I have to mix some foundation, that's why I'm doing that. I'm kind of feeling like ALYSSA Forever. Like the brown skin version. Brown skin, honey. And I'm gonna add a little more coverage because ALYSSA Forever goes, like when she does her face routine, she goes super duper full coverage. So that's what I'm finna do. There we go. Bionka's looking back to her natural shade. Let's see what she gonna do after. I know she finna highlight.
Now to highlight under my eyes.
Okay, she is finna highlight. So this one's lighter than this one. I haven't used this in a really long time. This is the NYX Got You Covered concealer. I love it. It's so full coverage. I just been on my Sephora gel concealer wave, so I haven't used it, but I can use it today. Okay, so she's putting her darker one down first, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm taking, this is the, like I said, NYX Got You Covered. It's in the color Sand. Oh, I haven't used this in so long, but I love the consistency. Love, love, love the consistency. It's so, it's full coverage, like, definitely full coverage. I'm going in with my Sephora gel concealer now. As you can see, they basically blended together, but this one has a little warmth to it, so I like the yellow in it. I love the yellow in it. Oh, and she's blending out. Okay, cool. So let me blend out.
And for the rest of my face,
Hold on, I need a mirror because I don't play about this blending under this under eye. Baby, no, I don't play about the blending at all. I forgot how much I love this concealer. Do you see how flawless that under eye is? And to blend out the butt, like the edges, I use the butt of the beauty blender, like that had my foundation. Like that. I think my lashes are a little overpowering, but I love it. Okay, so now she's just using the lighter one in the inner points of her face, which is so smart. Okay, I'm definitely thinking I might do this as my new trick. Okay, I ain't got the contouring yet. Hold on, Alyssa. So, just making sure to be super duper blended. Like I said, I don't play about my blending like at all. I'm looking really good. Like, Alyssa, why haven't I been doing this? I'm shook. I'm so glad I did this. I'm loving everything. Like, the base is looking so good. Conceal is from Maybelline, and I don't cream contour, so this will be something new for me. Okay, she contours the perimeter. So, she contours out up here. Oh, baby, this is not a contour shade. Oh, no. Exit, abort mission, all that. Okay, so she's setting everything. I'm going back to my Fit Me powder to set everything in place.
So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the brown.
And I'm going to put my own little twist onto it because now that I've started, I can't stop it. I'm finna set my full face with the Sephora Micro Smooth because it's so good. I don't feel bronzed. I don't know how I'm feeling. Going in with my MAC stippling brush. This is the brush 187. And I'm taking the lightest bronzing color. And that's just because I feel bronzed, but not enough. Okay, so she's using that dark brown. So I'm going to go in with Mocha and my smudger brush. This is from Japanese as well. And go right on the lash line.
From the liner has like a wax or like an oil or something in it. And it just gets on your contacts. So I'm like,
okay, so she's going back in with that initial orange, which I used Pukey, so. And I'm going to smoke this out. She contouring her nose? Lord, y'all know I don't contour my nose. This finna be tragic.
To bring a little pop to the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna take this color pop.
Hold on, sis. And she went over the top. Went on the sides a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. She's using the color Wisp. Oh, the best color. I already know what color I'm finna use. It's this color in the Jaclyn Hill palette that reminds me of Wisp so much. And it is called Queen. And I'm finna use that on my inner corner. Like, look at that, y'all. Bomb. 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 Okay, so she took Conceited, which is super duper light for her. And that's the thing, like, she's light skinned, so she can do it. I'm making it more gold because I'm a little more, I got a little more melanin. So I'm taking Bahi Cosmetics Danielle, favorite powder highlight of all time. And I'm using that on top just to get the glow. Do y'all see this glow? If this ain't proof that y'all need to go get the Bahi Cosmetics Danielle highlighter, then I don't know what to tell y'all. Like, okay, so she's going with a brow bone highlight and another loose powder. It is the NYX Pearl Mania. I used this as a highlight before, and I really, really like it. It's the only gold one. When I tell my friends, like, they ask me the color, I don't know the color. Really digging it. As you can see, that gave me like that subtle highlight that I needed. This is my trick. I got it from ALYSSA Forever. So you go in with the Loreal Telescopic. I use the Carbon Black just like her. And I'm taking this and I am putting it over my brows. Just to make my first little brow hairs a little more prominent. Makes your brows look 10 times as natural. Jump on the wave using L'Oreal Telescopic because it is A1 like steak sauce. Okay, so the blush that I've been using is an orange color that's in the color. I mixed these two. It's so pretty. And then, okay, so MAC Oh Darling is very similar to L'Oreal Gilded Honey, so that's what I'm gonna use. She got her nose highlight popping. She always uses her finger. Y'all know I love her, so. Of course, I know like how she's doing things. I don't be highlighting my nose like that because I feel like I always go overboard like I just did. And then I'm taking, she's using the taper brush, so I'm gonna use the taper brush too, and taking Gilded Honey on my cheek. Ooh, I'm blinding. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Let me put some mascara on my lower lash line. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is in the color Urban Cafe. It is their slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on, waterproof, extreme color lip liner. Oh, then they childish. Listen to this. In the little parentheses, this lip liner is so good. The name had to be this long. But they ain't lying. These are bomb. Bomb. I've got to get more. They're better than their matte lip liners. Bomb. These are so creamy.
Better work.
Oh, she's using a gloss. I already know what gloss to use. Bet. Say less. So the gloss that I'm going to use, if you've been on my channel before, I've used this like multiple times. It's Madeline. Madeline is still a bop. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, that was the end of the video. This was so fun. If you know me, I really look up to ALYSSA Forever when it comes to YouTube, mainly because she's so relatable and we're so much alike. She loves sneakers, I love sneakers. She's really into Nike, me too, and her style just really compares to mine, especially the way that she does makeup and things like that. It compares to like how I am when I do my makeup. So I definitely believe that this was the person that I should follow the tutorial with. And I did the same thing. I kind of got my little white shirt on, got my little puff, and I got my little Uzi shoulder. But before you leave this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because if you're liking, that means you like me. If you comment, that means we can have a conversation down below. And subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the BEEHIVE and join the gang. I'm just gonna cut this video right here because I know it's gonna take forever to edit. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Put your fingers in the air, bang, twist them up. Gang on them, bang, bang, gang bang, gang, gang, bang, bang, gang bang. Me, my young niggas, gang bang, rip the same gang, gang bang. I'm tougher than Suge Knight, gang bang. Fuck with me, you get shot, ho, gang bang.